好. We have now learned to say numbers from 0 to 10. In this lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 99. There are two formulas. The first one is used for numbers 11 to 19. And the second formula is for 20 to 99. The first formula is 10 plus number. For example, 11, which is 11. Please repeat after me. 11 11 10 is 10. 1 is 1. 11. For another sample, 19, which is 19. 10 is 10. 9 is 9. 19. So now you can say numbers from 11 to 19. The second formula is number multiplied by 10 plus number, which is to be used for numbers between 20 and 99. For example, we say 22 for 22. Please repeat after me. 22 2 is 2, 10 is 10, and 2 is 2. So when it is put together as 22, it is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2, which is 22. But to say 20, you can say 20. To say 30 will be 30. Let's try another one. 32 is 32. Please repeat after me. 32 32 3 is 3, 10 is 10, 2 is 2. So when it is put together as 32, it is 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2, which is 32. To finish off this lesson, let's try 90, which is 90, and 99, which is 99, where 9 is 9, 10 is 10, and 9 is 9. In the next lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 100 onwards. 再见。